In this video, we will take a look at the Vevor Miter gauge. We'll discuss how it is made as well as its pros and cons. The version I have is 450 millimeters, ordered from the Vevor website, and it arrived in Spain in 3 days. The miter gauge is made of very high quality aluminum with the components anodized and gloss colored. They really put in the effort here and it looks professional and solid. Here are all the components. I'm going to start assembling them. This is how it looks after assembly. The first thing I don't like is the scale. The top scale is in inches, while the front one is metric. The scale goes from left to right. When using the miter gauge on the left side of the saw blade, it becomes useless. This problem can be solved by attaching a new scale. And of course, there had to be another instance of sloppiness in the selection of components during production. These two mounting screws are tightened to the maximum, yet the aluminum profile is loose and moves around. The problem is the T-nut. It is not properly matched to this aluminum profile. The wall thickness of this profile is 2 millimeters. The T-nut is also 2 millimeters. When tightening both elements, they are not pressed against each other because the T-nut should be shorter than the wall thickness of the aluminum profile. I replaced the T-nut with a 5 millimeter screw that has a shallower, shorter tooth. This is a standard 5 millimeters T-nut for aluminum profiles, with the same width. Now you can see the difference in the thickness of the tooth. After tightening, it is now perfect. There is no more looseness. Another thing I don't like is the method for eliminating looseness. A plastic washer is used which flattens and spreads out to the sides when tightened. This is not precise, and the quality of the washer is poor, so over time it will either break or wear out. A much better solution would be to use an eccentric washer made of better material, or to use a regular pin tightened with an Allen wrench as shown in this picture. As I mentioned in the video about the Vevor saw, if we eliminate the looseness on the left side of the blade and want to use the miter gauge on the right side, unfortunately, we have to recalibrate it. The width of the slots in this saw is different. In summary, the miter gauge has several flaws. The scale is engraved in reverse with the top one in inches. The T-nut for mounting the aluminum profile is poorly matched, which caused looseness. The washers used to eliminate looseness are of mediocre quality. Besides that, the miter gauge is made of good quality aluminum and works very well. It is a very good alternative to the miter gauge that came with the saw, which does not have any looseness adjustment and is not suitable for use with this saw. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.